In this video, we're going to be talking about a quick trick for using shims, specifically if you have projects that are sitting on top of brick, stone, tile, porcelain, or concrete. So when you can't shoot a nail down into the shim or up into the project, that they don't slide around like this shim here and become a pain to break off. It's really simple, it's really quick, and it's helped me out on a lot of projects. Essentially, on the bottom shim, you're going to glue the top side, slide it in under like you normally would any process using shims. Then on the second shim, you're going to go ahead and apply wood glue to both sides so it hits the bottom shim and the bottom of your project at the same time. Set them in with proper wedging, get your project level, and then just let it dry before you come back in with a razor, utility knife, or a multi-tool. I find that this helps immensely, letting them stay stable without having to shoot a nail into your project, without marring or scuffing the floor as well in case you want to remove the project later on. Give it a try. It helps significantly keeping them stable. Enjoy.